Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by using the Epic Games account that already contains your Xbox Fortnite progress. This is the single source of truth. Once signed in on a browser, go to Account Connections and confirm Xbox is linked. Make sure you know your PSN ID and enable two-factor authentication on both Epic and PlayStation to avoid lockouts. Doing this now saves time because Epic ties progression and purchases to one Epic ID, not to individual console profiles. Next, connect your PlayStation Network account to the same Epic account that already has Xbox linked. On the Epic site, choose Connections, then connect PlayStation Network. Sign in to PSN and approve the link. This step lets Fortnite on Ps5 read the items and progress associated with Epic, so make sure the displayed PSN ID is exactly your console name. Once done, inspect the Epic account's locker and transaction history to confirm V-Bucks, cosmetics, and Battle Pass ownership are visible. Now on your PS5, install and open Fortnite using the PSN profile you linked. When prompted, confirm that Fortnite uses your Epic account. Accept any crossplay and data access prompts. Once in-game, check your locker and progression. If items are missing, close the game and relaunch to force a sync. If you see duplicate accounts or the wrong progression, do not merge. Instead, unlink the incorrect platform in Epic's connections and contact Epic support with both platform account ID for.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.